Our mathematics seminar, they have made some models. Let's see what they have made and ask about their models. First of all, these are the three students, you three students. They have made some model. Let's ask about their group name and about the model that what they have made. Please come here. Tell me about your model and what do you want to express by your model and your name also.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Me, Anshu Yadav, the captain of this group, and we are explaining the use of statics in cricket.
Okay.
And sir, I want to explain the term statics.
So please start.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, Srishti, I want to define the statics. Statics is the branch of mathematics which is connection, performing data, and mathematics.
Good.
Me, sir, Radha, and I want to explain you the origin of statics. The term statics was derived from the derived from the Latin word status, which means state, and it was popularized in the 18th century.
Okay.
So at the last, I want to explain the use of statics in cricket. So it's a use in different ways in cricket, like to analyze team performance, win and loss, and run rates, batting average, and etc.
Good, it's good thing. So how about you idea about the project that I should make this project to present the seminar?
So when I was searching in YouTube for an idea, I was get bored and I scroll reels. Suddenly a cricket video comes on my feed.
Okay.
Then
Choose
it's
that idea.
Yes.
Good, it's so impressive. And how you decided to make the project? How you decided to collect the project? You guys decided to collect the project or see only do the work?
So see make chart and the whole project is made.
So what is this chart about? About the static definition and
Yes, sir.
can you show it? That what is this?
And the use of statics in cricket here.
Okay.
This is organ of statics.
Okay, it's good thing. It's impressive. And who write this thing?
So
See, right?
Okay. The writing is good. And what is about this chart? What do you want to represent by this chart?
So it's showing the use of statistics like this paragraph is showing the run rate of India in the World Cup 2025, Women's World Cup, and so this is all about the Women's World Cup 2025.
Okay, why you not think about the male World Cup? Why you think only about the women?
No, because we are girls and we was meeting.
No,
so
there is no
we-
difference in a boy and girl
Yes,
inside
sir,
the school campus.
No, sir.
women empowerment.
So we want.
Women empowerment.
Yes.
Good, it's good thing. And what do you represent by this graph?
So run rate on.
Of England and India.
Yes, sir.
Okay, England and
India.
India. The final match that was happened. Where this match was conducted? Do you know? The place where the match, Dubai. Okay,
Yes,
good. I'm happy with your project. Let's see what the other students have done. Then we will decide about what you have gotten final or not. Okay, thank you for that.
Thank you, sir.
Close the video. Now the next group is here. Let's see and ask about them about their project. So let's see what they have made about. First, who is the captain in your group? See. So let's see what she have done and what their team have done. Please tell me about your group and about your model.
The infinitive intelligence, and we are representing the geometry and the shape of the world. Here is Pascal's law. Here is the different kinds of buildings made by different kinds of shape, which is related to geometry. There is a bridge, which is related to geometry as well. I want to show that geometry also include in architecture.
Yeah. And what about the teammates? They have made the same thing.
Yeah.
So would they explain anything or only you will explain the thing?
So what do you want? If you
I want that each and every student they have participated, they have the knowledge about that thing.
Yes.
So one by one they can explain the same thing.
Okay, so let me explain Pascal's law first.
Okay, first.
This is Pascal's law, and if I press this string, then this string will also move.
Okay.
This is the Pascal's law, which is due to pressure, and I wanted to show that geometry is also used in physics as well, because these were the cylindrical shape.
Okay.
So this is all about this topic, and now my teammate Shivangi will explain.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. I
Good
am
afternoon.
Shivangi Chauhan. I am made up 3D shapes in geometry. Geometry is not used in only books. Sir, geometry is used like square shapes buildings, square plates, and cuboidal and cylindrical and extent.
Okay. So you want to represent the thing that the thing which have created here in use of
Around
cells.
us, geometry is around us. We
Okay.
have to.
That's why you want to show the
Yeah.
rules of math. Good. And what about that?
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Pragati Yadav, and I made a triangular bridge. And I want to show that triangular is not about lines and angles. It is all about around us.
Good.
And triangle is the strongest geometrical shape. And these triangles are distributed load equally on all sides and provide stability and balance, reduce bending and collapses. And
What about this one?
this is thermocol.
Okay. So why you use that, and what is the motto behind that one?
Sir, I use it because of supporting and for standing there.
Okay, good. And what about this? Is this the thing which you have made here? The result is here.
Yes.
You want to explain by the chart?
Yes,
Triangular bridge strength of
geometry.
geometry. Okay, thank you for that. And what about this? This is the thing for that one.
Yes.
Yes, so from a single dot to the whole universe.
Acha, you four guys have made it three project, no?
Yeah.
One is Pascal's law and second one geometry. Geometry use of geometry and shapes like building, and third one is same
Triangle.
concept. Okay.
Which is all related to geometry.
Good. That's good. It's going basic. So let's see what happens in the final round. Let's start with the third group. So, whose name is, they will mention their name about their group and whatever they will want to know or they want to explain me. Let's see what they have made and what they want to express. So tell me about your group name and rest of the things which you want to express.